I will introduce characters function on this software. It supports the typesetting like a Word software. First, we introduce paper settings. You can name a file. Then we input a name common. When we fill page width and page height, we need to measure the height and width of paper with a ruler. Page width and height means width and height of writing area. For example, this paper, the height is the distance from first line to the last line. The page width is the length of the horizontal line. The page height is 210 and the width is 150. We fill the values onto the software. As for left margin, right margin, upper margin, and bottom margin, we all fill 0. The rows of the paper is 22, so we fill 22. Then click New Edit button. Next, we need to choose font. Usually, we only choose one font. Then choose file name. After choosing the file, then insert characters. We can copy content and paste here or import a file. Now we are going to import a file. Open our desktop. Choose the file format supported by the software, like Word and TXT. After choosing the file and click Open, and the content will show up. Then click OK. Content will automatically jump to the last page. And click Previous to choose the first page. We can typeset. If we want to title center, click Title Center Symbol. If you want to empty one line, click Enter on your keyboard. The arrow symbols won't be written. If you need to edit font size, just input the value you need in font size. The font size will be changed according to the value you filled. If you want to change fonts, you can choose one font from mixed fonts. And we can change word space from word space value according to what you need. Here is the starting point of writing, which means the intersection point of red line and the blue line. It's also the top left corner of the paper. We adjust the pen position by the control buttons on the right. X minus, X plus, Y minus, and Y plus. We adjust the pen position to left top corner of the paper. Click Set as 0. Jog dist means the pen moving distance when you click the button X plus, X minus, and Y plus, Y minus. Now we can click the button right. After finishing one page, the pen will automatically return to the starting position.